Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am here to help you make sense of today's market action. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's dive in. SPCX is in the spotlight today after its fast-track addition to the NASDAQ 100. Despite the anticipated passive buying, the stock fell over 6% as investors grappled with valuation concerns and general tech sector weakness. Penguin Solutions is seeing a major move, surging nearly 5% in after-hours trading. This follows a strong quarterly report where the company beat expectations and raised its full-year outlook, driven by heavy demand for its AI infrastructure. Micron is down about 5% today, pressured by a broader sell-off in memory-related stocks. The catalyst here was Samsung Electronics, which sparked concerns about the memory market's sustainability, leading investors to take profits after a massive year-to-date run. NVDA is also feeling the heat, down slightly in extended trading. The stock is facing some negative noise regarding a reported delay in its next-gen AI rack system, though the company has publicly maintained that its roadmap remains intact. Finally, DigitalOcean is up nearly 1% after hours, riding the momentum from a strong session where the company projected record quarterly results and a massive increase in performance obligations. Looking at the broader market, it was a tough day for tech. The S&P 500 slipped about 0.4%, and the Nasdaq took a harder hit, down over 1%. The primary driver was a global chip rout triggered by Samsung's earnings, which cast a shadow over the entire semiconductor space. Meanwhile, the Dow held up better, dipping only slightly as investors rotated into energy and other non-tech sectors. That energy bid was largely fueled by rising oil prices after reports of tanker incidents in the Strait of Hormuz, which sparked supply disruption fears. In the AI economy, the focus remains on the infrastructure build-out. While the short-term sentiment is skittish due to valuation concerns and component inflation, the long-term narrative continues to evolve. Google and Accenture announced a new suite of agentic AI solutions today aimed at helping mid-market companies accelerate their AI adoption. This underscores a key trend, the push to move from experimental AI pilots to actual production-scale workloads. In terms of individual stocks in focus, energy names were the clear winners today. Occidental Petroleum and Devon Energy both saw significant gains, jumping over 4 to 5% as the sector rallied on the back of rising crude prices. Conversely, industrial stocks like GNRC and GE Vernova faced pressure, weighed down by concerns over rising input costs and the broader tech sector drag. We didn't have any major earnings reports to cover today, but the market is clearly sensitive to any signs of demand fatigue or margin pressure, as we saw with the reaction to the memory chip sector. That is a wrap for today. If you enjoyed the show, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover tomorrow. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you back here tomorrow.